Seaside Heights, New Jersey oceanfront high tide occurs at 12:37 a.m. Tuesday, with a forecast tide level near 7.0 feet above mean low water. At Atlantic City, New Jersey oceanfront high tide occurs at 12:50 a.m. Tuesday, with a forecast tide level near 7.0 feet above mean low water. At Cape May, New Jersey oceanfront high tide occurs at 1:24 a.m. Tuesday,
Dang it, I
with a
missed it.
forecast tide level 7.5 to 8.0 feet above mean low water. At Lewis, Delaware Bay, high tide occurs at 1:59 a.m. Tuesday, with a forecast tide level of 7.0 feet above mean low water.
Okay, I can't
At
get that.
Rehoboth Beach, Delaware oceanfront high tide occurs at 12:59 a.m. with a forecast tide level near 7.0 feet above mean low water. High tide on the back bays along Delaware Bay and along Raritan Bay occurs later than the high tide on the ocean front. Impacts: numerous roadways will flood and minor to moderate property damage is likely. The tides and wave action will result in moderate to severe beach erosion. A coastal flood warning indicates that moderate or major tidal flooding is imminent or occurring. Be prepared for rising water levels and take appropriate action to protect life and property. Follow the recommendations of local emergency management officials. Do not drive your vehicle through flood waters. The water may be deeper than you think. You will be putting yourself in danger, and your vehicle may be damaged, leading to costly repairs. For a list of the impact of different tide types in your county, please go to www.trh.noaa.gov/by/tides.html all in lowercase.
The official National Weather Service forecast for
Sorry guys
Philadelphia
that
and
I
Delaware
missed
Valley.
that one.
Winter storm warning in effect until 6 p.m. Tuesday. This afternoon.
Alrighty, and just quickly.
Additional snow accumulation around an inch. Highs in the lower.
Oh no, that's not what I needed.
Northeast winds around 15 miles an hour with gusts up to
I need
25
this.
miles an hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Tonight, snow. Areas of blowing snow. Snow may be heavy at times.
Okay, so that was a coastal flood warning. This has been my second coastal flood warning. This is all part of this one winter storm. Yesterday I got portion of a blizzard warning, and sorry guys, I did not get another winter storm warning. For some reason my station does not activate their EAS for them. Alright? I'll keep you updated. Bye bye.